Hello students, welcome to E-Class at Kadaria. Students, today we are going to see the first poem of this term. So the topic, the computer swallowed grandma. So this is children poem, the computer swallowed grandma. So this poem was written by an anonymous. So the word anonymous means the authorized name is not known or made public. So the computer swallowed grandma. So what is the meaning of swallowed? So swallowed means to make your food to go down into your stomach without chewing. So students, next we will see the poem lines. There are 5 stanzas in the poem. Now we will see the first stanza of the poem. So the computer swallowed grandma is honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. So I will read the poem now. All the stanza, listen. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. So I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. So in desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. So not a thing was found online. So if inside your inbox, my grandma, you should see. So please copy, scan and paste her and send her back to me. So we will see the explanation of the poem. So see the first stanza. The computer swallowed grandma is honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. So swallowed. So swallowed means, I already told the meaning of word swallowed. Swallowed means to make your food go down into your stomach without chewing. So next, disappeared means go out of sight or vanish. So now let's see the explanation. Dear children, once when the poem having online chat with her modern grandmother living far away, so computer connection breaks suddenly. So grandma disappeared from the computer screen. So here disappeared means go out of the sight or vanish. Suddenly, by mistake, grandmother pressed Control and Enter key is on the keyboard. So her image was vanished from the computer screen. So let's see the next stanza. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. So here devoured. Devoured means to eat something quickly, and squirm means to feel nervous about something. So caught. Caught is a past form of catch. So virus is a code which copies itself and destroyed your data in your computer. So worm. So worm, it means a small insect with a long soft body without legs or bones. So students, by mistake, grandmother pressed Control and Enter keys on the keyboard. Her image was vanished. So in the computer screen. So now computer swallowed grandma completely. And disappearance of grandma from the computer screen make the poet feel nervous. So the poet thinks that the image of grandma on the screen must have been attacked by the computer of virus. By a computer virus of eaten by a worm in the computer. So we'll see the next stanza. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. So now let's see the explanation. The poet want to get back image of grandma. So the screen once again So the poet searches her grandma in the recycle bin. So files all the folders, and finally he used the internet to her grandma. He could not find anything in the computer. So dear children, we will see the next stanza, fourth stanza. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. So if inside your inbox. So your desperation means hopelessness. Jeeves is a software engineer. So refine. So refine means improved by a small changes. So now let's see the explanation. Students, the poet worried deeply and she calls Jeeves. Dear children, Jeeves is a software engineer. So the poet calls Jeeves to get the help for grandma. So the software engineer Jeeves searched the grandmothers in the computer and he gives a negative reply. And the engineer gives negative reply because he too could not find the trace of grandmother's olive. So now let's see the last stanza. Not a thing was found online. So if inside your inbox, my grandma, you should see. So please copy, scan and paste her and send her back to me. So dear students, here email. Email is we are sending the electronic message or a data from one computer to another. So now let's see the explanation. So in the end of this poem, the poet requests of all the records, all the readers of the poem, so to send her grandmother to her through an email. So to copying, pasting and scanning to find her grandma in the inbox. So dear students, I hope everyone understood this poem. Next we will go into the rhyming word. So what is meant by rhyming word? Words that sound the same and end the same way. So pop. So for example, pop and op. Wet, pet. Sip and tip. Rug and bug. So these are the same sounds. So this is called a rhyming word. So now we will see into the poem lines. Children, now we will pick out the rhyming words in this poem. Okay. So the computer spelled grandma as honesty. It's true. So she pressed Ctrl and Enter and disappeared from view. So in the first stanza, rhyming words of first stanza, true and view. So see the second stanza, the devoured her completely, the thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. So in the second stanza, squirm and worm is the rhyming word. So the two words have same sound. So the squirm and worm is the rhyming words in the second stanza. Next we will see in the third stanza. So I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. So I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. So in this stanza, in this fourth stanza, find, kind and find is the rhyming words because ends with the same sound. So kind and find are the rhyming words in the third stanza. So see the fourth stanza. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. So in this fourth stanza, refine and online. So refine and online is a rhyming word in the fourth stanza because same sound. So in these two words have same sound. So the students refine and online are the rhyming words of the fourth stanza. So in the last stanza, so if inside your inbox, my grandma, you should see, please copy and scan and paste her in an email back to me. So in this last, see and me is a rhyming word. So, okay children, everyone, I hope understood the story, understood the poem. Thank you.